in. And that's going to be used to impact the pressure points, right? And this is here on the bicep. So I have one prong on the bicep. I have this one on the inside there. You'll get a fall. But hold. This is going to help with the hooking. So here again. Oh, there's a secret.
Oh, okay. I do have to want to twice.
Although honestly, this is kind of torture.
Yeah.
So here, the prong, we're going to try and find that pressure point on the arm to apply that, just to cause suffering, I guess. I don't. This is going to move and maybe enable something else. But really, you have a weapon. So you have the ribs, right? You have the head. He covers his head. I break his leg. I don't know. There's so many options, but the weapon for Anteater is going to be the Trisula. Right? He punches.
Thank you.
Hit him with the side. It's not that complicated. I strike, I come through and hit, right? Or I come through and I strike, come through. I go for the leg, right? This here, and the strike at the leg, strike at the leg, the hook, right? If it's in this hand, the hook, again, pressure points. So,
Actually, got to
yeah. Thank you.